Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P40, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you will need a cable that you use for charging, and you want to plug it into your computer and just simply have it ready for now on the side. Then on your phone you want to power it off by holding the power key and select power off. Once it's off, let me just flip it sideways so we can get a good look. I'm going to be pressing volume down. As you can see, only volume down, and while holding volume down, I'm going to plug it in. And keep holding volume down. And there we go. We're now in Fastboot mode. So that is how you would boot into it. And if you wish to leave this mode, all you need to do is just hold the power key till the screen turns off. There we go. And it turns back automatically. So let's just wait for it to boot fully back up. And there we go. And we're back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.